Global NPN Instant Blog. Guys, give me the next probably 10 to 15 minutes and I'm going to show you a tool that's in the back office of Global NPN. Probably a lot of the Global NPN guys are not using, guys. Give me 15 minutes. I'm going to show you what I'm using to do this instant blog thing that can help you out and benefit some nice traffic for you. Stay tuned for the training. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and then hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I create a video. Also, guys, I want to ask you one question. Do you at all keep your option open in terms of making money outside of what you're currently doing? So if that question is a yes, I have a link below to a webinar that shows you how to be able to make money with 8 streams of income, guys. Check that link out below and I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, let's just get right into the training. Guys, if you followed me a little bit on this channel, the first thing I always do when it comes to blogging, putting any kind of content down, I like to do keyword research. And I always like to recognize what platform I plan on sending this blog traffic through. And guys, if you're part of this channel and you know me, I'm going to send this blog platform through Pinterest, guys. So the first thing I want to do is if this is going to be the platform that I'm going to send this traffic to, let's just see what kind of traffic or what kind of keywords are showing up on Pinterest. So let's just go through and look at a few keywords. Okay, let's go to let's do the code. Let's just do this. Okay, what I like to use, because y'all know when it comes to blogging, Pinterest is big on blogging. So I'm gonna type that in, just see what we get. Let's go through and look and see what type of traffic that is. Okay, I see on some things with Pinterest 66,000, 63,000. Let's expand it a little bit. So we can see there is some pretty decent traffic here, and that's what I do, guys. I go in and I look at it, like look at here, 32,000, 24,000, 22,000, 17,000, and it talks about blogging. So our format that we're going to use today is a form of blog, and what we're going to do, we're going to market it through Pinterest. So what I'll do is we'll find some content on blogging. So what we'll do is I just come in and well, let's just click here. We'll look at this. And this is something about blogging. And what I think these people have done, they come in, they create a site and they monetize it with AdSense. And you can do that. And what they did is they linked it to other sites. So what you got is kind of I want to say, I can't even think of the word for it now, but what they did is they created a site and they linked other sites to within the site. So but this is what we're not going to do that. We want to have some content. So I looked at that article that I clicked on here, and we're going to say blogging tips. All right. We're going to use that as to get our content. Now, guys, this is a tool that I use that actually goes out there and get us an article that we can place on our particular blog that we're doing. And the more the content, the better it is. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a 750 word article. And I'm going to do this. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to let you see this real time so you can see how quick it is to do this. Okay. So let's, and I'll have the link to this particular tool that you can use. It's a lot better to use this tool than to go out there and buy content, because content costs. You know, you can either use this or use PLRs, you know. So right now in the queue, there is no other job that is out there. So now look at it, guys. It is absolutely going through, and it took that blogging tip and it's going through, and it's creating me an article. It is creating me art. I want you to see this. I didn't want this to just to be a pause and come back and it's complete. I wanted you to actually see how quick this piece of awesome software can create us a unique article. Now, bear in mind, I will take this article and I place it in Granular and I clean up some stuff and get some things correctly. Now, I'll pause the video as I go through that. But while this video is being created, guys, I'm going to go through and let you see it. So you see it's at 51%. And like I said, I'll have a link to this tool below, and you can go in and way it works, you buy credit and it is inexpensive. And you use the amount of credit you want to create articles on, guys. That's all you do. It's really, really nice. It beats outsourcing. The 750 to 1,000 word article, depend on the level of the writer, could be $25. And then you go to some of these elite writers, 150, guys. Yeah. So, but like I said, this is what we're doing with these blogs, guys. We're creating content. We're posting it on Pinterest. And what you get out of it, guys, you know, you are a Global NPN member. You can have a call to action in your particular content, or the banners that are around Global NPN can attract people to join you, guys, or you can get leads through them, guys. So that's what I just want to show you guys. I want to make sure you hear that. So yeah, we're at 75% right now. And this probably going to be the lengthiest part of the video. I just want you to see how long. I didn't time it, but I don't want to guess about, we're about 2 minutes in. We're about 2 minutes in on this, and it's not that bad. We're almost at 80%, guys. So at 80%, and just let that baby roll. Because content is still going well, guys. It's really, really going well. So still got to use content. So got to use content. Nice little tool by John Ledger. I have been with him since the early days. I've been with, you know, certain people you just don't walk away from. I've been with this guy because the majority of the things that he create is content. Here we go, guys. Look there. Only use 4 credits. Blogging tip. The secret to creating a blog that makes money. Wow. So that's it, guys. Look how it done this. Look what it done. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this article and I'm going to place it in Granular, and I'm going to go through and clean up things and make this thing right, guys. So when I get back, we'll be in Granular, so we can have a clean article to post on our instant blog. All right. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys, here's our article. I've went through and I've cleaned up everything about this article. So the next thing we did, I just went through and I did a plagiarism check because it pulls this content from different places. And I'm going to tell you 3% is pretty good. Yeah, 3%. And this is not the type of content that we're going to monetize, like putting ads on it, and it has to be totally unique. Guys, we're just trying to provide some people value and do a call to action at the end of this particular blog post to attract people to what we're trying to promote. I'm trying to promote Global NPN. So I use the Global NPN format. So what we're going to do, we're going to place this content on Global NPN's Instant Blog, guys. Let's just go back, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a new post. Here we go, just like your normal blog. But you know what, guys? You don't have to go through all those bells and whistles, like setting up WordPress and things of that nature. We're just gonna come right here, guys, and we're gonna take all of this content. Scroll down. We're gonna get there. Just do it like this and get rid of the top. Cut my time down. Cool. Yeah. Here we go, guys. And you know, I'm just going to show you this quick little bit right here. And then you can come in later and put like some banners or some pictures of things of that nature in here. So we're going to hit publish. Well, let's just open it up, guys. Here we go. Look at there. Yeah. And then you can come in and put a call to action here, and voila. And then let me explain it to you guys. Here it is. You have the opportunity for them to take a look at Global NPN. They can get their own blog here, or they can get money or marketing to see it promotes Global NPN for you. And like I said, guys, this is a tool that some of the Global NPN guys are not using. And it's not like setting up a WordPress blog and getting all those plugins you got to get. You have your social media thing here, your Facebook like right here, guys. Yeah. And all you have to do is just promote this on Pinterest. So, and this is what you can do. And the next time I create a video, guys, the first thing that I'm going to do, we're going to take this blog post and I'm going to show you how to promote this on Pinterest. And you'll start getting traffic this way, guys. And then what's happening, you'll start getting free traffic back to your Instant Blog format, and you will start getting leads this way, guys. I was just trying to show you there is a tool that's in the back office nobody want to use. Now, don't get me wrong. When you do blogging this way, it's a grind. It's a grind. But with a tool like Synthesis, you can come in and create a unique post a day and then create your pins a day. Let me tell you something. Anything in the network marketing or business opportunity marketing or anything of that nature, it requires consistency. It's just like posting email every day. It requires persistency and consistency. But if you coming in and you did this and you were able to put a blog post out every day for the next 90 days and then create 3 different pins and post it daily on increments of 7-day spans, within those 90 days, you will start getting 10 to 15 to 25 leads coming to your email, whatever autoresponder daily. If you're a Global NPN directory member, yeah, if you was the director member, this is the director member is the one that accesses this. Guys, you would naturally start getting, I'm talking about 10, 20 to 25 leads into your autoresponder every day if you committed to 90 days doing this. So guys, I was just showing you what you can do. You can come in and clean this up. You can come in and add a image here and a call to action here or whatever. Just like on, let's just take an example. Let's go here. Like here, I did this one. My call to action was first is trying to get people to join Lead Skimmer, which is a part of the Global NPN package anyway. So guys, I just wanted to do this quick video just to let you know this NPN blogger that's already built within Global NPN is a nice tool to have, and this can bring you leads to your business. Guys, I hope this training was good. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. And I'll see you the next time I create a video. I'm going to show you how to create pins and send it to the Pinterest network. Take care, guys.